Good morning students, welcome to computer online class. Today I am going to take lesson 2, inserting elements in web page. You will learn how to insert element in web page. You can insert with the help of HTML. So let's learn what is HTML. HTML, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Already you know in standard 7th you have learned what is HTML and you have done lots of practical on it. Once again I am going to teach you what is an HTML. What is an HTML? A website consists of many pages. You know what is a website, web pages. A website which consists of many pages. HTML is a computer language which helps us to create web page to display on the World Wide Web. HTML is what? It is a computer language. It's not a programming language and it helps us to create web page and display in a World Wide Web. As I told, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. A markup language is a set of markup tags. This markup language is what? It is a set of markup tags. In HTML, we have many types of tags. These tags are used to describe web pages. With the help of this tag, you can help to describe the web pages. So, we can say that HTML is a collection of tags to design the layout and hyperlink of web pages. So, with the help of this HTML tags, the collection of these tags, it will help to design the layout and hyperlink to the web page. What is hyperlink? Hyperlink is a link to one or more documents. As you know, when you see any blue color highlighted words in a website, if you click on that, more link will open. It's a link of one or more documents. Originally, HTML was developed to define the structural elements of documents like headings, paragraphs, lists, etc. But now it is widely used to format web page with the help of different tags. HTML is a programming language. No, HTML is not a programming language. HTML means like Java, C++. HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language for describing web documents. It helps us, with the help of HTML language, you can able to describe the web pages on the World Wide Web. So, it defines the structure of web pages and determines how data is displayed online. Because how, if you open a MS Word document, you can easily write on the Word document. But if you open a internet, suppose in Google, the page what you are seeing, that how to write with the help of this web page, with the help of markup language, you can able to write and describe. HTML does not really process data or perform tasks in a programming language. How programming language? It is a language where we give instruction to the computer and it takes the data and it works and complete the specific task. Because these programs are to done for specific tasks, but HTML markup language, it does not do. It does not take any task or perform any task. For example, it does not have a common conditional statement such as if-else condition. When you do any programming, we require logical or conditional statement like if-else. But in HTML markup language, we don't require any logic to do in it. It cannot evaluate expression and do any math and event handling. HTML, it cannot evaluate expression and do any math and event handling. So this is what about HTML. With the help of this markup language, you can able to design and describe the layout in the World Wide Web. And for this, you should know the various types of tags, because to insert any elements in the documents, we have to know the different types of tags. So in the next class, I will let you know what are the types of tags, HTML tags, and I will tell you how to start an HTML. What are the things required to start an HTML? Hope students you have understood what is an HTML. Okay, thank you for listening my online class. Take care student. Be safe at home.